So, you need money. Maybe you're in between jobs, need cash for a new car, or need a way to finance that vacation you've been dreaming about. You go to the local bank. None of the options there really work for you, and they overwhelm you with paperwork and eat up your time. In the end, you get rejected because your credit isn't stellar. The truth is, banks are businesses, and their primary interest is themselves, not you. So why not start looking out for yourself from now on? Isn't there a way that's simple and works for you? You visit loanscanada.ca. All you do is apply online quickly and easily. A loans expert calls you to work out the details. Then lenders process your application, and once you're approved, you get the money you need. Loanscanada.ca offers personal loans, car loans, mortgages, second mortgages, and more. If you have bad credit, there are programs and tailored products available to help you get the financing you need. Loanscanada.ca offers various debt consolidation programs to help you get out of debt and let you focus on the important things in life. So what are you waiting for? Get the money you need by applying with Loanscanada.ca today.